3 ways to create tabs in HTML Javascript. To create tabs with HTML and CSS only, start with a div container for the tabs. Create a group of radio buttons. Add their respective labels. Lastly, add the content sections accordingly. To turn this into tabs, start by setting the layout of the wrapper. Hide the radio buttons. They will still work by clicking on the labels. Then, set some cosmetics on the labels. Highlight the respective tab where the radio button is checked. Finally, set the cosmetics of the sections. Hide them by default. Only show the respective section where the radio button is checked. For a tabs variant using JavaScript, start with a div container as usual. But this time, only create the navigation tabs and the respective sections. For the CSS, we no longer need the radio buttons. Also, we will use a current CSS class to toggle the selected tab. To create the tabs, start with getting the navigation tabs and sections in JavaScript. Loop through the tabs. On clicking on a tab, remove the current CSS class on all the tabs and sections. Only set the current CSS class on the selected tab and section. For the last method, we will load the sections via AJAX. To do that, we will move the sections into individual HTML files. Set the files to load accordingly. Then in the JavaScript, start by getting the container and navigation tabs. Loop through the tabs. Call a load function on click. Use AJAX fetch to load the selected section, append it into the container, and show it. Then for following clicks, just set the current CSS class on the section without reloading it again. Lastly, clear all current CSS class on all tabs and sections as usual. Set the current CSS class on the selected tab. Load the first tab by default. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.